Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 30-day challenge, which will be writing one song a day. I'm going to be producing and obviously writing it and then releasing it. So the reason I'm doing this challenge is to push my creative abilities. I want to emphasize letting go in a way. So that's why I'm doing one song a day and then releasing it. I have a big issue in general holding on to things for too long. So this challenge kind of just coincides with that. Besides that, I'm going to be using Logic Pro. I've had Logic for a couple of years now, but I have not spent as much time as I would like. And I mean, I'm just not as well versed in it as I'd like to be. So alongside this challenge, I hope to get better at using Logic. I think I'm going to start with a slower BPM and see how that sounds. I already had a drum, the Logic drummer pulled up. I already had the Logic drummer pulled up for the reason I'm a little lazy right now. I don't want to do MIDI drums. So I'm going to let it play. All right. It's kind of slow, so I'm going to speed it up a little bit. All right, I'm going to give this a little whirl and just see what happens. All right, you guys, based on the last part, I had just gone ahead and threw together a rough skeleton of how I want the song to be, keeping it pretty simple with an intro, a verse, a chorus, pre-verse, verse, chorus, verse, outro. I'm just trying to keep the structure simple, or what seems simple to me, I guess. Again, it's the first day of the challenge, so I don't really want to make it more complicated than it needs to be. I'm also already sitting at over 3 minutes and 30 seconds for what I have right now. So I might cut that down a little bit, but as of right now, it's just about 4 minutes long. I have the guitar parts down, which I think I'm just gonna stick to what I got. And I got a verse melody going. Don't think I'm gonna do any synths or anything like that. I think I'm gonna keep it pretty straightforward with just the guitar, bass, and drums, and just keep it like that. With some lead parts and maybe some like pedal ambiance, if that makes sense. But keep it pretty simple. All right, next I'm playing some pretty simple progressions, I guess. With the verse parts, I'm really just sticking with 2 chords being so something like that, and then kind of bouncing in I guess different directions with embellishments, I guess. So I'm also doing a chorus part, I guess. It's something like this. So I'm trying something like that, a little more distorted and whatnot, but just as a instrumental break. We're gonna do a quick run through of maybe some possible lead parts for the project. Let's see what we got, and maybe some ambiance too. I'm really just I'm kind of content with what I got going on right here. Vocal wise, I mean, I'm not a vocalist, so don't judge it too hard, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can do with the lead, and maybe just some pedal ambiance. So I'm gonna throw us in right now. All right, you guys, back at it again. We are currently recording bass. I've got the Ibanez right here. And we're just running our bass through DI. Got amplitude up, and then I got a graph EQ going. If you don't know already, amplitude is free. At least this version that I have is free. Comes with a bass, only one though, and it has some guitar stuff too. All right, you guys, we are here at the end. I'm pretty much all done with the song. I just need to comp some things and then make a better mix. But as of right now, pretty much at the end, it is 8 o'clock where I'm at. I've been doing this for a couple hours now. I will say that this challenge has proven to be a little difficult, even just starting it. I found difficulties with, again, kind of doing more so the YouTube aspect, which is like recording the video, editing the video, making sure that the video aligns with the audio in terms of exporting it into Premiere, which is where I've been editing. So that all has been pretty new to me, which again, this challenge has been, I'm looking forward to this challenge because of those reasons. Again, there's a lot of reasons why I want to do it, but part of it is doing post-production work. So editing videos, doing the mixing and whatnot. So it's all just an experience, and this is just the first day, but this is the song. Yeah, we're pretty much done, and it's been fun, and I'm about to start another one tomorrow. So that is it for today. I will be posting the song. The links will be in the bio or in the description, so you guys can find it and listen to it if you want. But this is the song, and yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this more.